Hi, James. How are you?
Hi, Reshma. I'm good, thanks. I saw you yesterday. You were moderating one of the streams, weren't you? So it's nice to meet you now.
It's nice to meet you as well. Yeah, it was quite an action-packed day yesterday.
Virtual conferences are so different, aren't they? I thought it was a great conference. You know, the content really brought the conference alive.
I think they did a really good job of trying to tie all the themes together. The jazz music I thought was just great. I think we had 4 streams in the end, 2 business and 2 technology. Having moderated one of the technology streams specifically, I really enjoyed listening to, I think, what's going on across the entire portfolio of companies.
We should probably talk about the keynote first. So what is human and what is work in the superhuman future was really important. It's not just a technology point, it's a leadership point. So in this conference, it's a time when I hear about some of the really interesting, often quite complex projects that Springer Nature have been doing, and you hear about the really very creative stuff that Design do as well.
There's a lot of pride I think I experience when I hear about some of the things that Springer Nature presents on, because you kind of hear about them or you see them, but to hear them present, there's a little bit of that real pride for your colleagues having done a good job. And these topics are typically quite interesting.
It's an illustration, isn't it, of the breadth of the group, really. All the different divisions are tackling similar problems and using similar tools and looking at data.
And that actually just brings me back down to, I think, how inspired I think the conference really is, right? It's I'm assuming that is their main focus or their main aim, is to be able to get to that point where people can learn off each other, especially within the umbrella group that is Holtzbrinck.